Well, number one, yung reliability ng equipment. We've been partners with Hilti for the past, I don't know, so many years na. Na-address na yung reliability kasi I don't want to compare to other brands that we've been using, but yung reliability nila in terms of equipment itself, it's far greater than what we've been using. Then second is yung service na Hilti is providing. Yung after-sales service, yung integration with our methods. Tapos one additional item that I've experienced recently is yung big benefit ng fleet management is that when we dispose of the equipment that we have, so for the, I don't know, 30 plus projects that we have right now, we've accumulated a certain amount of healthy equipment na I would say had served its purpose already. Meaning, for disposal na siya, for rehabilitation and others. But the problem right now, nag-accumulate yung inventory namin and yung asset namin. But with this healthy fleet management, ma-avoid namin yun. We can no longer dispose. We don't need to dispose the items properly. We don't need to find ways na paano ba ito i-repair, paano ba ito i-benta. But right now, madaling kausap with the snap of your hand, parang sasabihin ng tao namin, sir, we need this. Sira, may replacement na kagad. Sir, we don't need this equipment anymore. We can terminate the contract and look for another equipment na kailangan namin. Then also to add to that, yung additional service na discover namin with this fleet management is that yung the way to use the equipment properly with the correct safety protocols, with the correct method, malaking bagay yon kasi for the equipment that we had before, I think one source ng pagkasira na is we don't use it properly, we don't charge it properly. With this fleet management, naturuan kami kung paano gawin yun ng tama.